Hello all. After discussing about different types of flip-flop, now we'll be discussing about the types of sequential circuit. The sequential circuit is been categorized into two kinds, namely synchronous circuit and asynchronous circuit. The synchronous circuit are also known as clock sequential circuit. As you can see, clock is the driving factor for the synchronous circuit, whereas in asynchronous circuit it is called as self-timed circuit. That means there is the absence of the clock. That means the asynchronous circuit is not driven by the clock. So as you can see, the driving factor, we can say clock, as clock plays the major role to drive the circuit. So synchronous sequential circuit are the digital circuits which are governed by the clock signals, whereas in asynchronous sequential circuit you don't see any kind of clock, so they are not driven by clock. Next we'll be talking about the memory element. So in the memory elements, the data are being stored with the help of flip-flops, whereas the memories are being stored in the terms of time delay device in the case of asynchronous circuit. If we talk about the design part, synchronous circuit are very easy to design, but the asynchronous circuit, if we talk about the design, it is comparatively difficult. Power, it consumes more power, and asynchronous circuit consumes less power. Application, where is actually the synchronous circuit being applied or used? So synchronous circuit is used in digital clock, frequency counter, and so on, whereas in asynchronous circuit you can use, or that can be used in microprocessor and some of the communication system like in email. Talking about the block diagram, so as you can see, the same block diagram, it is a completely, we have already discussed in sequential circuit. The only difference is the memory is stored in terms of flip-flop, the memory is stored in time delayed device, and clock is driving the circuit. Here clock is not driving the circuit. So this is all about synchronous circuit and asynchronous circuit. Hope you understood the basic difference. Thank you.